Hello and welcome back to the Conquering Codependency mini course, lesson 6, called Becoming and Staying Aware. Now last time we talked about breaking bad habits and forming better ones. This lesson discusses how to separate yourself from your thoughts and emotions and better recognize what habits you might want to break. So let's get started. One of the most important tools needed to overcome codependency is mindfulness. Mindfulness essentially teaches us how to cultivate better focus, alertness, and mental clarity, and gain back control of our mind. In order to practice, we must learn to observe, describe, and participate in the present moment. Mindfulness assists us in getting to know ourselves and monitoring how we react in certain situations. A codependent person tends to compulsively react without thinking or being aware of his or her surroundings. His emotions are so entangled in someone else's that he doesn't know where he stops and the other person begins. We've adapted some basic mindfulness practices that are helpful for staying in the moment. Have a Teflon mind. Allow thoughts, feelings, and experiences to enter but easily slide right on through your mind, just like a Teflon frying pan. Stay alert to everything happening in and around your personal space, and don't make judgments about it. Describe a thought as a thought and a feeling as a feeling. Ignore what emotion is attached to it. Allow yourself to fully participate in each moment. Don't think about where you want to be or where you think you should be. Just stay grounded in the present moment. Our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors naturally impact each other. By sticking only to the facts and monitoring how we describe things, we can increase our problem-solving capabilities. Remember, a more extreme description equals a more extreme thought, emotion, or behavior. For example, when discussing the weather, you could say, "It's so hot you could fry an egg on the sidewalk out there. And have you seen those clouds? Take shelter as soon as possible. We have severe weather headed this way." Or you could say, "It's about 85 degrees outside, the sun is shining, but it looks like a few dark clouds may be headed this way. We may be seeing some rain soon." Now, did you notice the difference? The first statement was full of exaggeration and even a little drama. The second statement stuck strictly to the facts. This is how you practice making statements in your life. Try to practice doing it in absence of your opinions, unless your opinions are actually required. Focus on what works in each moment and do just what is needed. When feeling overwhelmed, stop, breathe, make a list of the things you would like to accomplish and do them one at a time. Focus on each thing separately as you proceed. Now, mindfulness has been an incredible tool that has transformed my own life. I've personally attended multiple silent retreats focused on cultivating mindfulness, and the results have had a huge difference in my life. I wrote a blog post all about what I learned, including how to use awareness and equanimity to lessen the control your cravings and urges have over you, and find mental peace and balance. You can find that post at www.codependencynomore.com/hackingcodependency with meditation, or there's a link to it right below this video. Mindfulness techniques are usually helpful for codependent people because codependents tend to take on everything they can to stay distracted from their own lives. When you're ready to drop that excess baggage, mindfulness will help prevent you from picking it back up again. In our next lesson, we'll discuss the phases of recovery. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning.